Hi guys, today we will be learning about endangered species. The snow leopard, the bee hummingbird, and the leatherback sea turtle. After we learn a few facts, we will learn how to not leave a negative impact after making a meal. Let's talk about the snow leopard. The snow leopard has a snow-white fur which allows it to blend into the snowy mountaintop. This is called camouflaging, and many animals use it to stalk their prey. It has long legs, muscular body, and well-developed lungs to help them survive. Their long legs allow them to jump 6 times further than an average human. Their muscular body grants them ease while climbing up mountains, and their well-developed lungs allow them to easily breathe in the thin air. Snow leopards are carnivores, which means they eat meat, and their favorite meal is actually the blue sheep, which is a type of goat. Their habitat is in Central Asia, and it is around 2 million kilometers square. This area is almost as big as Greenland, and sadly there are only 3,900 to 6,400 left in this habitat. The leatherback sea turtle is 1.4 to 1.7 meters large. It's the heaviest and largest sea turtle in the world. It can get up to 30 years old, and in that time span, it can also weigh 998 kilograms. Its main diet consists of crabs, mollusks, shrimp, jellyfish, and vegetation, since its scissor-like jaws would break from anything else except their normal diet. The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird ever known to mankind. It's 2 inches tall, and it weighs 0.056 to 0.071 ounces, which is less than a sugar cube. It has a stubby, streamlined body, long wings, and a long body. And almost every hummingbird has these same characteristics. They are mostly herbivores, which means they eat plants. But as I said before, they are mostly herbivores. And the reason for this is that they usually eat plants, but occasionally eat spiders and insects. Hummingbirds are usually known for their flight, and this hummingbird is a very good flyer. At its fastest, it flies 60 miles an hour, but at an average, it flies from 20 to 45 miles an hour. Usually, it flies in a straight path to minimize energy loss, and its wing flap per second is 200. Obviously, there are many more endangered animals, like the panda, the zebra, the giraffe, and the butterfly. And actually, we already made a food that represented the butterfly and its natural habitat. Since the butterfly is very attracted to flowers, we tried making a colorful salad here, which will look a little like the flowers. And here we chose pasta that has the same shape like the butterfly to represent the butterfly. We also got many different colors, since the butterfly is a very colorful animal. There are 3 main reasons endangered animals are endangered. One is global warming, and because a lot of animals need their habitat to be cold, and global warming just heats a place up, their habitat is not the correct temperature. 2 is because of habitat loss, and as the name suggests, habitat loss means when the habitat is lost. People usually do this to make more land for houses and buildings. And 3 is because of poaching. Poaching is when people kill animals, and people usually kill animals for their fur. Obviously, there are still ways to help them. One is to obviously stop poaching, or to not eat meat. And we could also establish areas where these animals could roam while they're not threatened. While we were making our meal tonight, we tried to minimize negative impact on these animals, and we used 4 main rules. 1. We used reusable utensils, like this plate or forks and knives. 2. We tried to be vegetarian. And 3. No food went to waste. 4. Our food is also local, and local food is very good since you don't waste exhaust on shipping the food to other places. Enjoy!